Happy New Month to my amazing YouTube family. Happy New Month and Merry Christmas in advance. So in the light of this Christmas period, I'm here to give you an update on our new challenge that is going to be starting today, which is going to be me giving you update on styles you can rock this Christmas, how to do them. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and comment under this post. So let's get straight to the challenge for this month. So the first day challenge is the Lemonade Fulani braid. So in this video I'll be showing you how it can be done and ways it can be done. So watch each process as we go with this video. Thank you. Enjoy the video. The Lemonade Fulani braid can be styled as a bow braid. Like, this is amazing. Like, the creativity is always amazing all the time. See how it's beautiful. The bow braids for the Lemonade Fulani hairstyle is very lovely. It can also be styled as a goddess braid as seen here. See how it's lovely. It can be styled as a short hair. So the way they style this one is a short hair, and it was curled at the bottom part. So it doesn't have to be always long as you see in other videos. So you can also rock the short style of it. Then it can also be curled at the bottom and at the sides. Curls can be added to the sides too. This is a long one and it was curled at the bottom and curls on the sides. It's very lovely. Like, this is amazing. I love this look. It's very nice. So it can also be rocked as a twisted braid with curls at the bottom. So this one is really amazing. I even love the color of this hair. It suits the person wearing it very well. See the different curls on it, and the curls at the bottom is very lovely. It can also be styled as full braid. Like, you don't need to twist or anything. Full braid to the lower part. Like, it wasn't curled, it was just braids all through. Like, see this one is, I even love this color. This color, like, it's burgundy and it's very sweet. Like, I love it. It's amazing. So it can be styled as full braids without curls or nothing under. So it's also styled this way. Very lovely. It can also be rocked as a full twisted hair. So this one is very amazing. So without stressing, let's get straight to how we make this lemonade braid. So just watch how each stylist are making this lemonade braid. It shows different method and ways you can do the lemonade braid. So just enjoy the video. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this post. We love you.